Hey guys, yeah, I know everybody's waiting for our video from the Atlantic crossing, but you have to wait a little bit longer because right now we're in Antigua, but we're only here because we had to bring an injured person from a rowing boat quick over to Antigua, and tomorrow we will head out again to the fleet, so it will take us another 2, 3 or 4 weeks to finish the work, and then we will show you the video from the whole crossing. I will forward a little video because a lot of people asking for the Osmo footage, and I will do just a short video because it's really amazing machine. I will show you a quick small video of our dinner party. I think it's the first time in sailing history that you can actually catch the real movement of a sailing boat without any big expensive camera. So I will show you the dinner party, and then I will show you also the difference between the Osmo and the G15. The G15 have also very good stabilizer inside, and we went sometimes very close to the boat, so we did both footages, but you will see a big difference between the Osmo and the G15. And yeah, enjoy the video. See you later. This was all from the Osmo. Now I will show you an unprepared, unstabilized video from the G15. You will see the difference now.